Now I have the Blender 2.92, and in our first video we just learned to the scene topology and benefits of scene topology and why we are just using a scene topology. So I have some character, so just I am going to open that. That is very simple character, but I am just opening it. I am just going in the this PC and our document account. We have the some characters. I am just opening this character. Click on open, open. Now you can see I have some low poly character which is also I created my previous day. But if you see that this is the character, this is very basic character. You can see this is in the edit mode. Yeah, fine. I have just created a character like Pandit ji in Indian cultures with mustache, and this whole character is created only through the sphere. And when we are just talking about scene topology, you see that there is nothing any advanced scene topology used. That is the total basic concept used to create this character. We are just start editing with this character. We can edit because this is selected and edit mode. I'm just going to create you can see what is the name of every object. I am just creating every object in separate parts. So there is the mustache part, there is the beard part, the mouth part, nose part, and simple eye and eyebrow part. Okay, this is the forehead part, and this is the hair. We can also call the hair, but hair is not created, only a simple extrude through upward direction and scale to created that. But now we have here to discuss about scene topology. What is the actual scene topology and how it works? And we have a browser. We just going to open my browser and just type the scene topology. Just press enter. Yeah, fine. Okay, typology of title scene in R2. We have not checking. We are just not going on this. We just click on the image, fine, and we have just going to choose the scene topology with any character. Now we have the character. This is a scene topology. How it can join when you see our body. Muscular body. Center muscular body. We have just seeing the muscular body image. Yeah. When you drag down, you can see how it created. Just click on this. This is the muscular body image, and now you can see scene topology. How every part of this man is created. We just using our tablet to express everything. Yeah, fine. And now I'm just going to connect my tablet. You can see the we just downloaded this and start in the save images. Yeah, JPG downloads. We are just going in download section. Okay, yeah, we have just opened it. We just opening pen. We have the image. You can see if I am just going to zoom in how mouth is created. Just we are studying on mouth. You can see a mouth also created through this. This is the way how mouth is created, and cheek, how cheek is created, connected through this side, and how eye is created. This is the scene topology, and how nose is created. This is the scene topology to create any object in 3D modeling. Okay. This is the whole scene topology to create any object in form of 3D. We have just dragged down the image. We just check out that this is the scene topology to connect shoulder and hat and hand and necks too. This is the shoulder part, this is the chest part, again this is our hand part. How this is connected, this is the scene. And when we are start our modeling, we follow the same rule to create our model movable and fast and realistic. If you see whole image simply dragging through, we see our whole scene topology. We are just following a simple process of scene topology. Follow this structure, and again we just down, and we just following this structure. This is a 2D image, so we are just looking at front side. We also see the side and other side. This is the scene topology to create every object. But when you see in general term of human body, the left side and right side are equal, but in reality left side and right side are not equal. but in the scene topology and 3D object, we just created only one side, left or right, and apply the mirror modifier to complete the scene. Just we go for our other image. I'm just opening my browsers too, and just I'm going to select any side image or any other image to see what is that. If I'm just going on back, you can see the back image too. Yeah, how this is created. We just follow the same rule to add our model. Again, we check out the other image. We simply I'm just going to save as, then I am just going to told you we have a back side of image, so we are just going to open through any of this. Yeah, fine. I'm just going to zoom in. We have the image, so I'm just when you see the scene topology here is also working. This is the following of scene topology, how its backside are put up created. Yeah, same scene topology also following in 3D modeling. When since it is scene topology just created in 3D modeling. Okay, we are just going to create or take another image through the browser. Yeah, fine. We are just going to select another image for our browser. You can see there is many of image. You can choose any of one to learn scene topology, how scene topology work to create any object. Okay, after completing scene topology, we just follow the rule and create any object for more similar and adjustable or flexible. So we just follow this type of scene topology. We have another image of lady one. This is also created scene topology. We are just going to click on save image, and I'm just opening with Paint 3D. Just zoom in. I'm just opening this image. Yeah, fine. If you see clearly, here is also following the scene topology. So I'm just going to change the color for my flexibility, and also here is always follow the scene topology. Scene topology for muscular. If you're just going to create no neck, for flexible neck and a realistic neck, you have must to follow the scene topology. Through this side comes front side. Yeah, this side come front side, and this side come joining here, and below here this scene topology work also here. For the hand, scene topology also work. For leg, scene topology also work. For male and female, in both condition our scene topology also continuously works. If you follow the scene topology, your character will become more flexible, better and realistic. If you have followed the scene topology, you created better 3D model. You can download any of image to learn about scene topology. This is the basic lessons about scene topology. In other lessons, we just created model and learned how to follow the scene topology. So thanks for watching. You can follow me on other social media platforms too. You're fine.